Hey everybody, I wanted to take a second to show you how to do a really quick and easy graph using Google Sheets rather than having to lay out a graph on paper. So we're going to need a couple of pieces of information. Obviously we need the data that we're going to be graphing. So first thing I want to grab is actually going to be the drop distances that we used. So highlight those, Control C, copy, and we're going to open the program next that we're going to actually graph in, which again is Google Sheets. So I want to open a new tab and go to Apps. Again, the program we're going to use is Google Sheets. Now, if you don't already have this, you go to the web store, just type in Google Sheet. But obviously, I've used this before, so I have it downloaded and ready to roll. Once you're there, it's just like a doc. To create a new doc, hit the plus sign, and we're ready to roll. So now, obviously, I've already copied my drop distances, so I want to paste those into column A. Anywhere will do. Now, because we opened a new tab, I can easily go back to my unit guide doc and grab my average bounce distance. So I'm going to Control C, copy that as well. Go back to the sheet, and I want to paste this into this area. Now, I want to make sure that these are correctly lined up with one another so my data doesn't get messed up. So here I have obviously drop distances and average bounce. Now to create the graph, or in this case as Google would call it, a chart, I want to highlight all of my information and go to Insert. Once at Insert, I'm going to hit the Chart button. I'm interested in creating a line chart, and to edit or customize our chart in any way, it's pretty slick. We can just click the Customize button, change our title, for example, if we wanted to make it the average bounce height, or average bounce height for a given drop distance. Forgive my punctuation there, or my lack thereof. I can go down then, change my axis labels or create axis labels. So across the bottom, down here, obviously we have our drop distances. So I can enter my drop distance. Then I can change to my left vertical axis, which is over here. And that obviously, if we're looking at our information, is our average bounce height. Click Insert, and I've got a nice, slick, easy graph that was created for us by Google Sheets. Now, if I want to obviously copy and paste this into our unit guide, very easy to do as well. I click the little drop-down menu here in the upper right-hand corner, click Copy Chart, go back to our unit guide, and wherever I want to insert it, because it's in analysis question number 2, I place my cursor where I want it, hit Control V for paste, and there it is. A nice, quick, and easy graph in less than 3.5 minutes. So if you've got questions, I've got answers. Good luck.